Hi, this is Heather, the Fed Up Foodie, where I inspire busy people who love to cook and bake so that you feel inspired in your kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a twist on a classic Italian dessert. This Limoncello Tiramisu is a fluffy and bright make-ahead dessert perfect for summer celebrations. Start by zesting the lemons and set the zest aside. To a saucepan, add granulated sugar, water, and lemon juice. Cook over medium-high heat just until the sugar has dissolved. Remove the pan from the heat and let the syrup cool for at least 10 minutes. Now to a shallow cake or pie pan, add the limoncello and the lemon syrup. Set aside while making the mascarpone filling. Mascarpone cheese is a rich and creamy, acid-set cream cheese, and it's a secret to making this tiramisu phenomenal. To the cheese, add the lemon zest and the lemon curd or Zabaglione custard. Lemon curd will give the filling a buttery, bright lemon flavor, and the custard will make the filling light and airy. The choice is completely up to you and your taste preferences. Now beat in a quarter to a half cup limoncello. This will help to create a pudding-like consistency. In a separate chilled bowl, add in the heavy whipping cream and powdered sugar. Beat on medium to medium-high speed until soft peaks form, about 6 to 7 minutes. To finish off the filling, gently fold in the whipped cream just until fully incorporated. Now it's time to arrange the layers. Start by dipping the ladyfingers in the syrup mixture for about 10 seconds per cookie. The cookie should be wet but not saturated. Arrange the cookies in the pan with the sugar side facing up. Also, depending on the size of the pan you choose, some of the cookies may need to be cut or broken to fill in any gaps. When arranging this tiramisu, start with the cookies and end with a mascarpone filling. Then refrigerate uncovered for at least 6 hours, but ideally overnight. This recipe will fill a 9x13 rectangle pan or a 9-inch round pan with the addition of 3 to 4 wine glass portions. Making tiramisu in wine glasses can be a fun and elegant way to serve dessert when doing date night in. To make them, dip the ladyfingers in the syrup and then break into pieces. Layer the cookies with the filling in a similar fashion as the main dessert. Just before serving, it's always a crowd pleaser to decorate with fresh cut lemon slices. Also, this bright and creamy dessert is sure to become a favorite, especially for lemon lovers like myself. Make sure to check out the recipe at thefedupfoodie.com, where I do a deep dive into the tips and tricks of making this dessert. And of course, if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to follow along.